Running multiple types of discounts can really help you convert your customers and buying more products, especially when you set a dollar amount that is required to get the discount. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a total spent and get a percent or fixed discount off, and exactly how quick and easy that can be. So let's dive right in. Unfortunately, Woocommerce right out of the box doesn't come with this capability, but there's many plugins out there. If you want to go to the link in the description, I have my plugin. It's probably the last discount manager you'll ever need, and it's super easy to do. So to get there, after you've downloaded and installed, you go to Woocommerce and Sales Scheduler. And then you're going to click on the day you want it to start. Click Total Spent Discount. You give it a name. You need start and end date and total required. We'll do 100, why not? You can do a percentage or fixed amount. We'll do fixed amount, $20. I don't know why I did that. You can exclude products, exclude categories, and then you just need to hit save. And you can make it longer or move it, do whatever you like. But how this looks in the front end is over here. Now, once you go to a product, you'll see there's the little notification of how much you need to spend. And once you start adding to the cart, you can see there this goes down. It also has some more settings, and we'll go and turn those on now. We'll go back to the sales scheduler. In the top right corner, you'll see this little icon, total spend. You can change the picture, you can show progress bar. So let's go ahead and show progress bar. This will show everywhere, and you might not want that. But you also have some short code, which you can put it wherever you seem fit. And you can also change where it's at. So we'll save that, and let's go see how it looks now. Oop, I meant to go to the shop. Let's go ahead and add a belt. Now you see there's a progress bar. We'll add more to the cart. And now you can see, oh yay, I qualify. And we'll go to checkout. And there you go. No discount. Total spent discount applied with no intervention from you. As you see, it's quick, simple, and easy. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.